Hey friends, Karen Basket DIYer here. All right, so usually right about now I'm bringing you a TUMLER video, but as I've been telling you, we are preparing to move. You can see some boxes and stuff in the background, but I need to pack up all my glitter. I really don't have a lot of glitter like most tumbler makers do. I just think less is more maybe when it comes to this, because I think you can become overwhelmed with so much glitter. I do have this little rack back here, and that is what I started with. So I just thought I would let you watch me pack up my glitter and talk about glitter with you guys. When I first started out tumbler making, my very first go-to was Walmart. They have some great glitter, you guys. I never had any issues with this glitter. In fact, their white was one of my absolute favorite whites. It's called Crystal Diamond. And then the black I just showed you, what was this one? Onyx. One of my favorite blacks, in fact. But then they had chunky glitter. So that was where I first started out when it came to tumbler making and glitter. Next was Michael's. They're great, but I did notice with reds, I had some fading, kind of turned orange. So I kind of quickly moved away from the Michael's glitters. I still use them occasionally, not gonna say that I don't, but I do. But overall, my favorites are right up here on this shelf, and they include Makerflo. I love, love, love Makerflo glitters, and they're so convenient to order, especially because I order Makerflo tumblers. So it's just always easy to throw in glitter whenever I place my tumbler order. I have an affiliate link in the description below that you can click on, and I would greatly appreciate that. So I get a little perk from it, and you know, it's just fun to share those kinds of things. Then I discovered the glitter guy. I really like these as well. This is what all of these up top are. There's some really pretty ones. My absolute favorite one from the glitter guy is Karen, and it is so sparkly and just a really fun hacked glitter is what they call it. So that's these up here. And then I found Glitter Heart Co. Oh my wow. I have to say, Glitter Heart Co. is my absolute favorite at this point in time. These right here are all my Glitter Heart Co. And I have an affiliate link for that as well in the description below. You can get $5 off your first order, I believe, and it gives me a little perk there as well. Also, Witchcrafts from Bailey. She has some really great glitters. Golden Oats is one that you see me use a lot. That's my absolute favorite from Witchcrafts. And then there's like Magic Mist. It's just a really fine, super sparkly white. But anyways, these are just some of my favorites. There's a discount code for you in the description below for Witchcrafts by Bailey as well. So be sure to check those out. But anyways, it's time for me to pack up my glitter. I've seen and heard some horror stories about people moving and packing up their glitter and how when they got all unpacked, things were spilled everywhere. So I am gonna be using painter's tape and putting a little piece of painter's tape on the top of every one of my containers of glitter just to keep that from happening. So here we go. So when I first started tumbler making, I realized really quickly that I could get in over my head real fast with glitter. The price of glitter, the amounts of glitter, it is crazy how many amazing glitter companies there are out there, and trying to narrow it down to my few favorites was pretty easy. But you know, I kind of shopped around and took the advice of a few other tumbler makers, and I just did not want to go in debt over glitter. Another favorite that I forgot to mention is Glitter and Grand. I discovered these right in the beginning of my tumbler making as well, back when I started out with like the Walmart and Michael's glitter. So these are really great as well. Really inexpensive, super sparkly, great glitter. I do not have an affiliate link for you, but I don't mind telling you about it. So be sure to check them out as well, Glitter and Grand. So I've told you about a few of my favorite companies. I would love to hear your favorites and why. You know, for me, it was mostly about price, but overall, The, glitter heart coat that you're seeing here, I haven't packed those up yet. I just finished up my Makerflo and my glitter and grand, but I've still got to pack up this glitter heart coat. These are so sparkly, so beautiful, and the fine cuts are extremely fine, and they just provide amazing sparkle. You may have other favorites. I would love to hear that. So definitely drop me comments. Let me know why you like the ones you like and what your favorites are. I hope that you found this video a little bit helpful, and more than anything, I just want to stay in touch with you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and as always, you guys, thanks so much for watching.